stem down.
Thought you was out here laying in my front yard trying to go to sleep. I'm like, you could have came in the house. I didn't even know you was here, bro.
What are you talking about?
I didn't know you was in my house.
Nigga, what are you talking about?
You know how to play. Got you on camera, bro.
Oh. Bro, those LED markers came out so good.
The real ones? Oh shit. Unlock the car, bro. Nah, they ain't come on.
Cause the trunk open.
Nah, it's 'cause your shit fake. Your part's fake as hell, alright? Okay. Hit it again. They use his turn signals too?
Yeah.
It's kinda clean, bro.
The only thing I don't have them as is daytime running lights. I got them as brake, turn signal, and reverse. So in reverse, they'll light up white.
Oh, they turn. Oh, damn, I might have to get those. Is it hard to wire in?
Nah, it's super easy.
Is it all connectors already? You just got a jumper connectors?
Yep. The only reason why my wires look crazy, if you look, I took out my third brake light.
That shit look way cleaner than the stock shit. Now if you get it to work, that'd be better. Bro, you about to put a license plate back in?
Yeah, it look cleaner than sitting up there on the dash.
Bro,
My tint already dark, I can't see out that hole.
just don't put the... Why are you putting so much washers, bro?
Because it's too close to my bumper.
Oh. Sure you ain't in another way to put it?
I've been angling it, and you see I already got a little niche right there. So I put the 3mm tape back there just in case.
Bro, that shit ain't gonna have no threads on it.
Better tighten it up.
I'm sure there's a way you gotta... Why don't you flip it over?
I did that, it gets even closer.
No, bro, you should push it away from your bumper if you flip it over.
See, it's slanted like that, so it's either going to touch here or it's going to touch here.
You're doing something wrong.
Bro.
You're doing something wrong, bro.
Look.
Okay, that's not the way it goes.
Exactly.
So it goes this way.
And the only thing you can adjust is the height. So I'm putting it right there where I got the 3mm tape.
That shit gonna fall off on 195.
Yep, as long as that 3mm
You just need a
tape right
longer
there.
bolt, bro.
Huh?
You're gonna need a longer bolt.
Hey, it's the one they supplied.
I'm out here with a pipe wrench. Why you get a socket, bro? Why you even putting the front plate on, bro?
What you mean?
Why you putting the front plate on? Like, what's so hard?
Cause I paid for the shit already.
Bro, I ain't putting no front plate on my shit, bro. The cop himself gonna have to put that motherfucker on.
Yeah, I ain't fucking around. El Paso PD, motherfucker made me screw into that other bumper. I was like, oh hell no.
But this ain't El Paso right now.
Still Texas.
I think it's supposed to go the other way. The license plate sit off of this? Maybe, I don't know. 100% you put this on wrong. Let's Google the instructions. Let's Google.
They're in there on the counter.
I'm gonna go look at the instructions. Put the other fucking two in there, bro. You can't put the other?
Nah, that nut that's holding that.
Oh, yeah, that shit is... Nah, you got this shit on wrong, cuz.
Cause I'm telling you.
100% this shit is wrong, bro. Bro, you got it on wrong, bro. Take it off, cuz.
How?
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it, and we gonna figure it out together.
Alright.
Cause ain't no way the what you call it ain't gonna be able to fit the license plate. So I got 4 holes on it for a reason. But one, I know you was wrong because you was out here with a pipe wrench.
Fit. I ain't trying to scratch my shit up.
Bro, look at that, bro. Not even touching, bro. I knew you was wrong.
Yeah, but why the fucking they put the pen shit on the backside?
In either way, you're not gonna see it, bro. Hold my camera, bro. Make me famous, bro. Hold my camera, bro.
This shit even recording?
Yeah, it's recording. I knew that shit was gonna be wrong, bro. I'm about to Look, see? Dang, bro. My man out here is 400 washers. Hey, don't get my feet on camera, bro. Motherfuckers out there on my... Some of my friends might have foot fetishes. My subscribers. You know what I'm saying? I had a feeling he was wrong, dude. That's what you want it?
Yeah.
Is that shit even straight? You can angle it, bro, like one of the fuck boys. Like that.
No. Having it straight, tell them motherfucker line up.
Is it straight like that?
Yeah.
Alright, bro. You brushing it, bro. You gotta tighten this up. This is why you have friends like me, bro.
Absolutely.
Send this to parent, bro. You gonna put the what you call it around it? The frame?
No.
Dang, that would work. Now you gotta listen to the boy, bro.
Second opinion is always valid.
Now I might buy one of them. I was gonna buy it before the way you had it. Well, I was like, ain't no way they built this for A90, but gotta put all the washers. Come on, tighten them up, bro. Tighten them.
That shit is tight, like. It should be here on the fucking 15th.
First pull, bro.
That shit gonna chop up my whole hood.
Nah, it look good, bro. I'm gonna show off your license plate to the world. They're gonna search you up.
Tell them to pull up. They got 2 weeks. And I can tell you right now, the only thing you're gonna hear from me in this car, you can win any race you want. You can win absolutely any race you want for free. Put money up, completely different name.
Damn, dog. Dang. You talking like that?
Just like that. Win any race you want for free.
Oh, you gangster, huh?
Put that bread up, you're gonna get a completely different beast.
Oh, fun.
And you got 2 weeks to do it.
Okay.
Cause Elite Performance about to make this sauce
Bro,
nutty.
your sub got the you already got the mod.
Yeah, I did the mod.
You did the mod?
Yeah.
So why you worried about the shit?
I mean, it sounds good, but I don't know. I'm from New York, so my
Take the
bass got
aftermarket thing out and put an aftermarket amp.
you ain't gonna be able to see it, but I dynamatted the whole bottom down there. I got it going from this side down where the battery is, all the way up this way.
I mean, it don't rattle like that. Just
nah, the
aftermarket amps.
the rattling ain't non-existent actually. And actually, some of that foam from the DIY, I should pull some of that out actually. I think I overstuffed it.
The heat. Oh no, you didn't get the premium. Well, there ain't no difference with the sound system, I don't think.
No.
Premium.
No. Premium got all them features everybody be complaining about in the chat. So,
Like what features?
I saved a couple grand. So put it into them gram lights.
You do what?
The money I saved on the premium, my boy Wish. That crack going across my windshield. That shit look like a hairline, bro. God dang.
Hairline. Bro, neither one of us got a hairline. You want to talk about hairline? Look at your hairline and my hairline.
Reason.
Bro, with all that being said, man, it's the end of the video, but welcome back to the channel. Just woke up, got eye boogers. My buddy just came by and he put his front license plate bracket on. Well, he didn't come by for that, but the bracket was here at my house, so he just put the bracket on over here. And that was it. You cut the Mexican flag or something over here, bro? What the fuck is this?
Shit won't be for me.
I don't know, this is a Mexican flag got red.
Red and green, red, white, and green. Ain't that some shit?
That's the Mexican flag color, right?
Yeah. Nah, it look like a bag or something.
The Mexican flag got red in it?
Yes. Red, white, green.
I'm gonna have to
orange,
Google
white,
it,
and
bro.
green. One of them damn colors. Figured I know being stationed no pencil.
Nah, the car looks nice, man.
Appreciate you.
My inspiration. I'll be there one day, but I'll be fast.
Not as long as you two-port.
Huh?
As long as you two-port, I'll edge you out on power.
Nah, I'll be the fastest 2-port. What dog try to bite your toe? Look.
Nah, when I had the dual exhaust, it was hanging in front of the...
Bro, you might as well take this off. You ain't towing none with that.
Yeah, but I don't want to leave that big ass hole.
Put the cover back.
No, it goes through the cover.
You drilled the cover out.
See? It goes through the cover.
Why'd you drill the cover?
So I ain't had that big gaping ass space right there. At least with the front license plate, the plate covers it, but I ain't want that in the rear. I forgot what strap I got from.
Just buy one. Just buy a new cover. Go to the dealership and get one. Probably like 40 bucks. That little plug. Might be like $400. Nah, shit looks good though. The mirrors in the side.
Tell your subscribers. No.
All that noise.
Tell them, are we doing this forged carbon? Or should I do the side skirt?
I said the side skirts, bro. So, you want to know if you should.
The black forge, black forge. You get what I'm saying? Black forge, forge, black, and the rear diffuser. So technically, I can't do the rear diffuser forge.
Why?
Because it won't.
You
If
do
I leave the side skirt black, I can't do the rear diffuser forge. That should look.
I would do the side skirts forged. I would leave this black. Then
Just
I
let
would
the
do
forge run all the
yeah,
way back?
forge all the way around. Round effect.
That actually.
And then put the forged lip.
And that'd be it. I want to do a carbon roof, and then I just paint it black. Make it look like I had it
Why?
done.
You know this shit's already aluminum. It's light.
I know.
If you're gonna do a carbon roof, I'd leave a carbon.
No, I'm not gonna leave a carbon because they don't make a forge one.
Oh. Hey, dog, I thought that was your Supra, bro. You should start in sport mode, right?
Yeah, mine's starting sport.
All right, go ahead, bro.
I turned off the growl.
Uh huh.
The thing goes
Actually, it doesn't sometimes. I tried to turn it off.
You talking about the pops?
When it revs up when you start it,
Oh, you turned that off?
I hope I did.
It didn't sound like it. Go ahead, start it.
Did you hear that? The fucking gas pedal got stuck.
Oh, it did?
When it was like, I wasn't stepping on it.
Oh, I thought that was you. Oh, better bring it to Curtis. But all right, man. I'll let you, bro.
All right, my G.
Yep.